Consistency in trading is easier said than done, right? If you're tired of the boom and bust cycles, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going over 10 tips that help me break through and achieve consistency in the futures trading. I've been there, and I know what it's like to read the charts and still feel like something is missing. Like there's one key thing that can help take you to that next level. So stick with me for a little bit today, and my goal is to help at least one of you take that next step to move forward. Let's start by talking about education and continuous learning. Staying informed about the market trends, technical analysis, and trading strategies is key to success in day trading. Read books, take online courses, and follow experienced traders. It's crucial to surround yourself with the right people, those who push you to be better. If your circle isn't motivating you to grow, it's time to change. Day trading is a game of continuous growth and evolution. The market is always changing, and as traders, we must adapt to those changes. Keep feeding your mind with new knowledge and stay ahead. Now, develop a trading plan. This is serious. A solid trading plan is essential. This should include your goals, risk management strategies, and specific criteria for entering and exiting trades. Get familiar with concepts like kill zones and understand the conditions that allow you to thrive in the market. And remember, sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Now, this next thing, look, you got to practice. Practice with a demo account. Practice, practice, practice. I can't say this enough. Before risking real money, use a demo account and refine your strategies and build your confidence. You must put the work in. This is your time in the gym. It's a tedious process, but it's necessary. Don't burn through your hard-earned money trying to find an edge in the market. Your edge must be developed, refined, and tested consistently against real market conditions. Now, next up, I want to talk about risk management. Set strict rules on how much of your capital that you're willing to risk on each trade. Typically, no more than 1 to 2%. Use your stop loss on orders to limit your potential losses. I've met traders who swear by not using a stop loss, but most of them are still struggling with consistency to this day. If you're not serious about risk management, you're not serious about being a professional trader. We're not here to gamble. While big wins can be thrilling, they're not sustainable. We want long-term success to build the life that we envision. Now, next up, I want to dabble into discipline and emotional control. One of my favorite movies is Get Rich or Die Trying. It has a line, show no love. Love will get you killed. That's true to this day for traders. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading. It's essential to stay calm and not let fear or greed drive your decisions. Yes, we all want to make money, but the key is mastering execution and managing your trades. Emotions can cloud your judgment and hinder your performance. Now, next up, I want to talk about keeping a trading journal. Journaling your trades might seem tedious, but it's absolutely necessary. Document your rationale, entry and exit points, and outcomes. Regularly reviewing your trades will help you to identify patterns and areas of improvement. This is how you keep your skills sharp and ready for action. At the end of each week, review your trades and understand what you did right and what you did wrong and where you can improve. Journaling is key to maximizing your growth. Next up, focus on a few markets. Many traders, they create a watch list of like 4 or 5 pairs a week, but it's better to focus on 1 or 2 markets. This allows you to become more familiar with the behavior and their trends. You want to understand the market that you trade like you understand your significant other. Knowing when they're in a good mood and when they don't want to be bothered, it makes life easier on yourself. Similarly, you want to know when's the best time to trade and when's the better time to just sit on your hands. Next, use technical analysis. Learn to read charts. Use indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to identify potential trading opportunities. While indicators are often lagging, they can still help to pinpoint key areas in your analysis and combat confirmation bias. Stay up to date on news and events. I usually say I don't care about news because I'm more interested in the volatility that it brings to the market. But economic reports, earning announcements, and geopolitical events can significantly impact markets. Stay informed to avoid being caught off guard, especially when high impact news is scheduled. Slippage during these times can blow accounts, so be cautious. Now last, I want to talk about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Chaos, confusion, and poor eating habits do not create ideal trading conditions. Physical and mental well-being is crucial to making sound decisions. Get enough rest, exercise regularly, and maintain a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp. Incorporate meditation to keep your mind level and physical activity to keep your body at peak conditions. So there you have it, guys. 10 tips that help me reach consistency within the futures market. I hope these can help you. So if I did help you and you got this far, hit that like button. Maybe even subscribe. Come back through. I have a little bit more for y'all. But thanks for stopping through. And remember, no FOMO, man.